how to screenshot Facebook lock profiles. On this process, you will have to first open the Facebook app and open that account whom you want to take a screenshot of the lock profile. So simply you have to open the Facebook. So in my case, I have this profile which is locked and I can't take a screenshot from this. So on the process by taking a screenshot, you will get such interface like it will say can't take a screenshot due to security policy. So for that, you will have to do simple trick here. So this trick will work on few devices or limited devices only. So if you got this trick on your device, you can take a screenshot on your device. So for that, you will have to minimize this tab on your phone. So simply you have to minimize this. And in my case, I have not seen the profile on this tab. So if you got tab like this, so you can take a screenshot from here. So right now I have no any such interface showing the profile. So I can take a screenshot from here, but the content is widened. So if you got the profile section here, you can easily take a screenshot from here. So this is the simplest and easiest trick. So you can take a screenshot of lock profile also. So if you not got any options like in my case, so you should respect the Facebook policy or dear Facebook user privacy. So hope this video was helpful to you and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.